Oh wow. I'm shaking like a leaf, man. I'm so nervous still. I just want it all to go well. Look at him in the water there. You can see that there. That's what you're looking for when you're on the beach. I'm gonna jump out and fight him from in the water. Up here.
Oh, yeah.
Like, seriously. I'm getting in. How deep? Oh no. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Yeah, you should be right now.
Yeah. Wow. Peter. Watch out, watch out. He's coming for you, bro. Oh. Hey, hey, come on. Just behave. Behave.
Gonna need that camera, eh?
Yeah. I got this glove on. Wow, this is the best thing I've ever done. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Be quick, bruh. We gotta be quick with this one. Oh my goodness. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna grab you. Let's go, let's go, let's be quick. I'm fucking getting real nervous now. Just pass me the camera and you grab him. Quick, I'm getting real nervous. I'm like shaking like a leaf. Let's get in there. Get in there, just grab him, just grab him, bro. Grab him, yes! 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 All right, all right. All right, just here, you grab this camera. Grab this camera. I got him. I got him, I got him. I got him. We got you, we got you. Yeah, all right, settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Keep him moving. Filming now?
Yeah.
Have a go at this thing. That's my first ever black marlin I've ever caught. And look at it on the beach. Are you serious? Incredible. I'm going to keep him moving forward. So I don't want to stop because we want to release this one really well. Alright, we're going to get rid of him so he swims off nicely. Thank you, beautiful fish. Look at you. Alright, let's go, buddy. Let's go. Get out of here, bro. Big walking in marlin. Come on, mate. Look at that. Look, he's coming good. He's just slowly cruising. Oh my god.
Look at him go.
What the f are we doing?